My name is Mumin. Today I'm gonna show you how to use a lock and key, a piggy bank, a money, a coin,
Good job.
a padlock, a key. First step,
This one.
rope.
Good job.
First step, pick up the coin. Put it in the coin.
Put it into the
Put-
piggy bank.
Put it into the piggy bank.
Well done.